Almost from last 3 to 4 months, I have been teaching my students online. I observed that I have started using so many online education resources which are absolutely free and they are amazing to use. Hello everyone, I'm Vidhi and today I'm back with one more interesting topic for you all. Today I'm going to tell you the 5 best online educational resources which are really good to use and very useful for educators, students and parents as well. Parents can also use these online resources to help their children while doing homeschooling. First of all, I would like to talk about Khan Academy. This is an online platform which is absolutely free, completely free.
This is Khan Academy dashboard. As you can see, there are so many courses related to maths and science specifically. There is also a section for kids courses. Then this is my course. I have selected class 10 physics. You can select as many courses you want to try. Then specifically in each and every subject they are divided into proper topics, and in each and every topic they have given videos which are very engaging and innovative. Then after every topic they have quiz, they have unit test, and if you sign into the website you can keep record of your marks obtained also and how much course you have finished. Then for board students specifically they have previous year board questions.
The second best online educational resource according to me is the website of NASA. They have really very good earth science videos which you can send out to your students and they can watch it at home and learn a lot of new things about climate change, sea level rise and whatnot.
This is a NASA website. You can see there are so many different sections of topics, missions, gallery, all those things. Then there are home resources for students to do activities at home, like for grade 5 to 8, grade 9 to 12, like that. Then there are some experiments which students can try out with the help of their teachers. That also is given according to grade wise. Then these are the NASA's earth science videos which are really very engaging and innovative. Students will love to see these videos and they'll gain a lot of information from these videos.
The third best educational resource is CambridgeEnglish.org. This website has a lot of teacher resources and activities for students also.
As you can see on the website, there are two sections: learning English and teaching English. This is for teachers, resources for all English teachers, professional development for teachers and all those things. Then let's move to the next section, that is learning English. There are so many free activities which are completely free of cost. You can improve your English and try out these activities at home. These activities are based on skill like grammar, listening, pronunciation, reading, speaking, vocabulary, writing, and according to the level of your English knowledge. Then time. So these are the activities which are based on grammar. I have selected grammar skill, and then you can see so many different activities. If you select reading skills, the activities will be shown according to that.
The fourth best educational resource which I want to talk about is about TED-Ed. This website has a lot of innovative videos for students.
This is a website. It has section for students, parents and educators also. You can see there are very innovative and different, completely different kind of videos. What makes volcanoes erupt? When is a pandemic over? Like why masks work? Like very out of the box kind of videos are there which students will really enjoy. The kids will have a really good time watching these videos and they are very informative also. So like that this can be used at home.
The fifth best educational resource in my list is Coursera. Coursera has got a number of professional courses, learning courses, so many courses for different age group of people. Even kids can have so many free courses from Coursera and professionals can also learn so many new things from this website. You just have to pay a very small amount of money if you want a certificate for the particular course you are doing. Otherwise, most of the courses available on Coursera are free of cost.
As you can see, there are so many different courses on the website which are free of cost. Some are from Yale University, some are from Princeton. These are all very renowned universities, and the course variety is also like some are for languages, some are for science and technology, animation, etc.
So friends, this was my top 5 list of educational resources which are available online nowadays. I hope you find all these resources really helpful. So I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.